Hey, today I want to talk to you guys something other than coffee and espresso. A couple of gears that I acquired during the holiday season. I want to start with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. As you know from my unboxing videos and stuff, I have this for a while now, a little over a year. I love carrying it like this, unprotected. Pretty much the standard gear of the creator combo fits into this cute little DJI bag, and it's fairly soft and protective. You can just toss it in your backpack and take it around. Ever since I bought this, I acquired some accessories, and here's one of them. It's called Tilta mount. Grab your extended battery and put it inside of this, and then by utilizing the 1/4-inch mount, you basically screw this thing on. So simply DJI Osmo Pocket 3 mounts on top of this securely. It also gives you a better grip while you're recording, kind of like operates like a handle/mount, so it works really well. Now, if you notice, we just added another gear. Guess what? With this gear, even if you remove the Pocket 3 off of it, now you need extra space in this little pouch alongside of your camera. As I told you guys before, camera sits in here completely unprotected. So what I did is I bought myself this little case for my Pocket 3. So if I need to take my Pocket 3 with me by itself, I want to be able to put my little filters in it. I want to be able to carry my Pocket 3 just by itself with this little thing. Well, when I placed my Pocket 3 in here, as you see, and it gets even bigger. It comes with this cute little strap too, by the way, and it simply becomes even bulkier. And guess what? This thing doesn't work with it. Look at it. I mean, yeah, you can put the Pocket 3, but forget about putting the extended battery and Tilta. Not to mention, if you have any other accessories, it's not gonna fit in here at all. So what I did is, this holiday season, I bought myself a new case. It's a lot bigger than this, and a lot sturdier and safer than this, because this is fairly soft and squishy, as you see. What I wanna show you is this, my new Pocket 3 case, made by a company named CYNOVA, and this is under $35, super affordable. It has a zipper front pocket. You can keep your cables and stuff here if you want, or if you need to access things quickly, you can access inside of it. And in there, you get all this pockets, and at the bottom, you get this molded area for your Pocket 3. So simply, even with this, you can grab this and put it right in there, like so. And your Tilta accessory with the extended battery in it can just drop right in here. Not gonna hurt anything. And here comes your microphone. Your DJI microphone goes right in here sideways, like this. If you have another battery, it can easily be fitted right in here, dead cat, into this spot. And here's my tiny tripod for my Pocket 3. You can put it right here. And there's even an extra spot right here if you have one of those charging hubs for the other batteries. You can put it right here. So I mean, all in all, this is an incredibly nice, incredibly versatile and safe case. And here's the cable and lanyard. So simply, you just put this in, put this Velcro on it, zip it up. Boom, you're ready to go. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. Size-wise, here's the difference. This is your Pocket 3 as it comes with the bare minimum, just Pocket 3 and a couple of accessories. This is your Pocket 3 with all your gear. You can even put a bigger tripod in there if you have one of those hand tripods and things like that. But I mean, it's an incredibly versatile case. So I got this less than $35 for my Pocket 3. And I just want to show you another thing I purchased for my DJI Neo drone. This is the Neo 1. I love it. I have under 30 hours of flight time. It works just fine with me. I know there's DJI Neo 2 out there, but I'm happy with this guy. Here's the battery out of it. And I even have a little guard on it. But I have accessories for this guy too, and I want to be able to carry it safely, especially with my DJI RC2 remote controller. So what I did is I went ahead and bought this incredible hard case. It's a waterproof case from a company named Drogear. So what this case does is allows me to carry my Neo in a waterproof environment. Not that I'm gonna toss this into water, but I know if there's a spillage or something, my drone is safe. Comes with an interesting shoulder strap. I'm gonna show you guys how it's mounted, but it takes everything my drone comes with. Most importantly, my DJI RC2 remote, which I'm gonna show you later how it fits. Here's my drone, and underneath, there's like a space right here. You can actually put more stuff in there too if you have it. But simply for what I have, here goes drone with the camera guard mounted. There's space for 3 batteries. And if you have one more battery, you can actually keep it on the drone. So you'll be able to carry 4 batteries, like so. And here goes the battery hub. DJI's original battery hub goes right up here. I got this protective cover for my RC2. I can easily close it and know that my screen is safe in there. Allows me to open my antennas and fly my drone. It even provides some sort of shade that I can actually see the screen better. And this is my neck strap. This one made by a company named LKTOP. It's super nice, soft, and I simply roll this, as you see, kind of like a leather-like material on the outside. What I do is I put this in this provided little cubby in there, and I put my RC2 antennas in first, push it in. I don't even have to remove the neck strap mounts. And inside, as you see, this foam-like material, and I go and close it, lock it in, boom. And this is how you put the shoulder strap on. It has these metal buckles. Grab this buckle part and put it right in this little gap. And then you put this side right in here. And then you simply close it. And here's your shoulder strap. And it's not even exposed, those buckles. Looks really sharp. And I like this little Drogear logo right up here. Kind of looks like Mercedes-Benz logo with a propeller in the middle. But anyways, and here's the air release valve right up here for air tightness. I mean, excellent case. It's only under $33, believe it or not. Perfect protection for your DJI Neo. And they have this case for DJI Mini 5 Pro. I think they even have one for the DJI Neo 2. So those are the 2 little cases I got for the protection of my gear for the year 2026. I'm planning on making many different videos, so we'll see how it goes. In this channel, I create a lot of content for espresso coffee, coffee gear, recipes, and many things related coffee. And on top of it, as I buy new things, I love sharing it with my community and show it to you guys what I have. Mainly, I always look for great deals for myself, so I'll share it with you guys. So if you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and drop me a line. If you think you need any of those accessories and gear I showed you, you're more than welcome to check out the video description for the links to those products. And I'll go ahead and put the best prices that I can find. If you ordered through those links, you'll be supporting my channel at no extra cost to you, so thank you. If you find this content interesting, please go ahead and like and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. We would love to have you guys in TEO'S Take community. Thanks for watching TEO'S Take. Have a wonderful year, and don't forget to have a delicious day.